Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. It's me, Michelle, and I do a lot of fashion related videos. Like, this channel is all about fashion hauls, vlogs, travels, and much more. So today in this video I'm gonna be reviewing my mini skinny ID wallet, and this is from Coach, and I'm totally in love with it. It also has a name in here, and I can't show it in the front because it has my details mentioned. So yeah, this is it is, and I'm back with another video. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So the packaging is somewhat like this. It also has a nice Coach name written on it, and I didn't expect the packaging to be really nice. I thought like it would come in a white transparent wraparound thing, but it instead came in a cute little white dust bag which has a Coach name written on it, and it's really cute and tiny, as you can see, and I totally love this one. The inside is somewhat like this. So here is the mini skinny ID wallet in a white and khaki print. It also has a gold hardware right here, and it's really very cute. You can see the gold name on it, which is really very classy. And I have chosen the white and khaki. It has a gold chain right here with chuck pull tag, and it's really very smooth, as you can see. It also comes with a gold round chain in here. You can hang around with your chains or the side of your bag or even your tote bag the way you want it to be. And it's really very cute, as you can see, the white and khaki print, and this is a signature one. It also comes with 2 slots right in here. You can put your everyday cards, like, it's really very cute, and I totally love this one. And the behind looks somewhat like this. You can put your driving license in here, or your photo ID or whatsoever, or if you have an extra card you can put that in here. So it's really very nice and handful. The stitching is really very classy. It's really tight here, and the stitching is tight here as well. You can put a lot of coins. It holds a lot of things right in here. I haven't put anything, so this is my first day of reviewing it, as though it had come a month, almost a month ago it had come. So today I'm reviewing it for you, and it's really very pretty. As you can see, there are many different colors like brown and red, brown and pink, a dark brown and pink, and also a full black, but I have choose the white and khaki, which is really nice. I love neutral colors, so this was really going it for me, and I love the way it looks. So this was for, it was on discount, so it was for like £69, and on discount, okay, but the actual price is, I don't know if the price is right. It's right in here. No, it's a light khaki chalk print, and nothing is shown right here. Oh, there's nothing. I don't know the actual price of it, but it was somewhat like £115, and I got it for £69, but on delivery it was like £75. So I bought this online on their Coach website. So if you want it, you can go check this out, and I totally love this print. It also has a nice cute little ring holder. You can just hang around your chains or your a sling bag or a tote bag. It's really handy. You can use it for your everyday wear, and I totally love this one. If you like it, you can go check this out. It's really a must-have in your in your girly vanilla vibes. So yeah, and it's basically from New York. Oh my god, I saw this now. See. And with this, I come with the end of the reviewing my mini skinny ID wallet from Coach. And please do give a like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.